Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
What's up? Welcome back to KMB TV.
And K behind the cam, production style.
Killer Kim doing homemade pizza thin crust. So we got
We're gonna do a thin crust, and then we're gonna do a homemade dough, and we're gonna compare and contrast which one is better.
pizza crust.
Pillsbury, thin and crispy.
We got parsley flakes, Italian seasoning, red pepper crush. We got black pepper. We got the pizza homemade style sauce.
Ragu.
And I got mozzarella cheese for me, cause moi do not eat cheese.
Moi is you.
No, moi is you, baby.
Moi means me.
Moi. Teaspoon of oil. A half a teaspoon of yeast.
Well, that's a tablespoon of oil.
Let's get into the video.
You acting like stuff in Tasha.
No. Alright. So I'm gonna start mixing my things together.
Stay tuned while we get this
Stay
prep.
tuned.
We'll be right back. Okay, so don't do like our B did. Put the yeast last and do not stir it. I repeat, don't stir. I don't know if that's a big deal, but I stirred it. Don't do that. Just let it sit for 5 minutes. Once the yeast has, activated after 5 minutes, you can add the seasonings of your choice. I chose Italian seasoning, I think garlic, a little bit, onion powder, black pepper, crushed red pepper. You can add whatever you like on your dough or whatever. A little bit of brown sugar for a hint of sweetness. It's all up to you. But a little bit of oregano and Italian seasoning will just do the trick. Less is more, remember that. Dough is mad sticky, you guys. You might have to add a little bit of flour. Like, I'm trying to get her to get it into a ball, cause you know how sticky it get. Alright, so we're gonna let this rise for a few hours or whenever it's like expanded, and cover it with saran wrap. We don't have saran wrap, so I think this is just as good. It's still on the top. Since you don't have saran, just take a cap. You don't want to fully close it and just let it rise. Okay, make it hot. Make it hot. In the fridge, we're gonna get back when our dough has risen like the Messiah. BRB. Got my pepper sauteing. This is optional. Want to do like a supreme style right here. Don't want to cook them down. Because remember, we still gonna have to bake this. So just to break it down a little bit. My baby, I don't know what's up, but she not feeling well. She in the bed, so I'm gonna finish out the video. Hopefully she'll close out with me. The bacon just got done, so I'm gonna get to chopping that up. The dough has risen. We about 2.5 hours later, so stay tuned for the making of that. BRB. Alright, you guys, so my baby, like I said, wasn't feeling well. I'm just gonna go ahead and chop up this bacon. We already got our pepperonis, our mozzarella, and our sauce. So now it's time for the main ingredient, the dough. It's been about 2 hours, so I'm gonna pull that out. I'm going to be making the Pillsbury one as well. I'm just waiting for the water to cool. So stay tuned, be right back. OMG, after whipping it for so long, I realized it wasn't getting thicker. I even added a little bit of flour, so I did not get to make the thin crust. But trust and believe, we're going to try it again. This is a few days later, so I'm going to try to make this happen for y'all, but it ain't happened this video. We got our dough. We got our dough out of the fridge after about 3 hours. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle in a little bit of flour. That way, it's gonna stick. Trust and believe that. That's the dough. What we're gonna do, take it out. It's not nearly as sticky as it was before. It's my babe, yo. Oh, she not feeling well. That's how it's supposed to be. A little sticky is cool, but you know how sticky it gets. Okay, so right here, I got some flour on the dough, making it round. Much more easier to manage. You want to have your flour on your board already, and you just continue to mold it, fold it over, fold it over, fold it over. Then you just press it out into a circular or square motion. Add a little flour if it's still sticky. Just keep on pressing. You know, make your edges towards the edge for the crust, and then a smoother surface for the middle. And just keep press. If it gets sticky, just add a little flour to help you mold it. Now this part, you pick it up, put it in your hand over hand, just like that. Like when you whipping it in a whippity dippity, over and over, hand over hand. I got this from Smoking and Grilling AB. He got the sauce, he got the recipes for real. And just keep flipping it just like that, and you're good to go.
We don't want to take no option. Touchdown zone, we locked it. Counts in my pocket, no drop, man. I got the codes, I'm top, man.
Alright, so everything is flattened out, and just keep pressing the middle. You can do your crust however you want, thicker or thinner. I go for the medium size, like Pizza Hut style, but that's just me. You could do it of your choice, but remember, the middle may be thinner the more you spread it out. And that's it. Just keep the curve. Good to go. Good money.
Palace, what you cooking?
Alright. Unless your name is Betty Crocker, Martha Stewart, Papa John's, Pizza Hut, Domino's. I am not an expert in properly. I need to get that thing where you can slide the pizza in the oven. We don't have that right now. So what I did was I took out the actual oven rack, an aluminum foil, because it's not sturdy enough to just pop off like a frozen pie, and put it on the rack. And I put aluminum foil just for protection. So I was like, I'd be zen if I put all my good toppings on here and it just gets to crumbling. So I think I got a pretty good crust. My baby still has not joined us yet again. 9 times out of 10, she's not joined. I'm gonna have to wake her up to eat so we can try this. But y'all can see like the racks is kind of poking through. I'm trying, y'all, but we're gonna see how this goes through. So first, we're gonna get our sauce, marinara pizza sauce, and we're just gonna do a dollop. I think that's good amount. Can you guys see? I'm using my phone. My memory is taken up on the camera because I'm editing a banger for y'all. Stay tuned for that. And you just gonna go in a circle. Probably to add some more sauce. And just brush it. Not on the crust though. You add a little more.
Not again, Monet.
Good measure. Never go wrong with good measure, guys.
Say I'm back on my stupid shit. Came home with a stupid clip, but you know what I do this. Baby, you know I got hard, maybe I ain't new to this. Yeah. Telling them move, I'ma just play with your shit and I foreign the car. Baby, I'm lit, I'm in the car with the stars, you know what baby you want. Bitch, you gon' cry, bitch, you gon' cry in the Rolls Royce. Get inside, make no noise. I came outside with this statue, you know what I'm doing, I mix up the coke boys. Do it like this, you do it like this, you do it like that. I move like this, I move like this, don't move like that. Shorty, you mix it, I can't even clap. Hopping it smooth when I'm blowing the back. How you gon' do me like that? How you gon' do me like that? Baby, you mad? I move around with the bag.
Yeah, like I said, you will not see that much cheese on this pie. I'm just not with it. I gotta take mine off at the end, but this is just for show. And this is for my baby, so yeah. No cheese.
I want, baby, just bring in the butt. I throw the dollars and up. Nigga, we up. Nigga, you know that it's us. When we outside, yeah, it's up. Nigga, we on. She on my proper denim. Got a pussy licking, fuck her in the rental like fuck. Man don't like when you be moving shady. Man don't like that. Catch me outside, I be moving crazy. Man don't like that. Top cars down, top downs every case. Man don't like that. Move like this and you know what. Telling them move, I'ma just play with this shit and I feel in the front of the car. Baby, I'm lit, I'm in the car with the stars and you know this, baby, you want. Bitch, you gon' cry, bitch, you gon' cry in the Rolls Royce. Get inside, make no noise. I came outside with this statue, you know what I'm doing, I mixed up the coke boys. You do it like this, you do it like this, you do it like that. I move like this, I move like this, don't move like that. Shorty, you mix it, I can't even clap. Hopping it smooth and I'm blowing the back. How you gon' do me like that? Man don't like that. Man don't like that. Man don't like that. Man don't like that.
This in the oven for, I don't know what you want to do. I melted some butter. I don't have like a little spoon to go against the edges, so I'm gonna use, I guess, my fingers. When in doubt, use your fingers.
And this is just garlic and butter, like I said, over the crust to get that browning. You don't want that floury taste when you bite into it. So yeah, this is what that's for. You can go without the garlic if you want and just use butter alone. Salt and pepper maybe. And we're gonna leave it in the oven for 15 minutes. Let y'all get an up close and personal look at it. Look at me. Ooh. Slow down, killer. Slow down. Yeah, that's it right there. So we're gonna stay tuned for the finishing results. Well, y'all gotta stay tuned. Don't forget to drop a comment to win a free laptop, free Lenovo laptop. Leave a comment with a honey emoji next to it. That's it. You don't gotta DM me. You don't gotta follow. Well, you need to be subscribed. But on TikTok, bring that energy to YouTube. You heard? BRB.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kay here. Just let y'all see my face really quick. I'm about to be out again so I can read these analytics. I see you guys are not subscribed as you're viewing. Am I doing something wrong? Are me and me doing something wrong? We got 69% not subscribed rate. That's why I say I know who you are. You're returning, but you're not subscribed. So in order to let these views really count and help the channel grow, please click the subscribe button if that's all you do. The likes and the comments are just a plus as well, and it's all greatly appreciated. We're on this road to 1K for the Lenovo laptop giveaway. All you gotta do is drop your comments, be engaged, subscribe for a chance to win, and leave it with the honey emoji next to the comment. You gotta do that or you will not be acknowledged. So with that being said, please come on, you guys. We gotta get that vice versa. Subscribe 69% and unsubscribe 30. Okay, we gotta flip these numbers. Let's get it like that at least by New Year's or Thanksgiving. We gotta set a goal. Hell, Halloween. We gotta flip this, you guys. But anyway, thank you for watching.
Show some love. Oh my, what a wonderful time. Just got her out of the oven. I had to give y'all a close up. Screw the tripod. Finger licking. Good. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that seasoning in there. That crunch. Look at you with that airiness, you know. Look at that. So we're gonna go ahead and let this cool down. We're gonna cut it up. Baby still has not returned. She let me do all the hard labor, so you need to get at her in these comments. And then we're gonna slice and dice and get the tasting. Yeah, BRB. Look at that right there. Look at that right there. Oh, ooh, it's hot though. It's hot. Can y'all get in there? Get in there. Homemade pie. We're gonna do the taste test as soon as I get these on the plate with our rotisserie chicken. Stay tuned for the final result. Try. Domino's, but we're gonna work on that. I'm tired. I gotta go finish editing. So if you like this vlog, you already know what to do. And until next time,
I do what I want to.
And I'm out.
I do.
I do what I want.
I do what I wanna.
I do what I want.
I do what I want.
I be flexing with your
I
bitch,
do what
nigga.
I wanna.
Hey, tryna get rich,
I do what
nigga.
I want.
Hey.